Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now I am going to teach you about the rebound hammer test. Rebound hammer test. Rebound hammer test is one type of non-destructive test. By this method, we can find compressive strength of any concrete block. This is also called Schmidt hammer. It is especially taken to find the compressive strength of any block to determine its structure is failure or good conditions. Firstly, I am going to say about its procedure. So learn about its procedure. Then after I also saw the video of rebound hammer test, which is taken in my site. This is rebound hammer. Yeah, you can see this is a diagram of rebound hammer test. Here this is a concrete block, and in the rebound hammer test, main acting plungers to give the value. While we checking the value, we stock on the surface plungers, then it's give the value on on this gauge. You can see this in this value. After we stuck on the concrete blocks, then each plunge is locked and give the value. Then after we take reading from this gauge. Here is the details about the rebound hammer test. Some points are we have to consider while taking the rebound hammer test. We cannot take the reading from edge of the any block. At least we have to take 20 mm away from the edge while taking the value by rebound hammer test. You can see in these figures, by this way we have to take the rebound hammer test. At least we have to take 6 values at a point. We can also take the value between 6 to 15. In this By this process we can take the value, but here is rough surface, so it's give incorrect value. The surface should be smooth like this way. This is the rebound hammer test. While we taking rebound hammer test value, we consider the value from it. But I take the 10 values, and which is tabulated in the figures. You can also tabulate the value in this way. As you wish, you take the reading, and by these tabulating methods, we add the 10 values and divided by 10, and then it gives average value. By this average value we can also find tentative value of rebound hammer. But by the average method not give exact value of rebound hammer test or values. It means not give correct compressive strength. That's why we have these all values plotted in the graphs. By this way, by the graph we find accurate answers, but these tests are taken after 14 days only, after the structure made, and the graph values will be determined like this way. If the value is greater than 40, then very good. If the value is between 30 to 40, then good. It means the structure will be affordable, or it may be fast for the project and good for our project. At last, now I am going to show the videos how we take the rebound hammer test.
हार्ड तो होता इवन मोशन था और कुछ नहीं।